Welcome everybody, I'm Derek Smith and this is Pop-Up Camper Pro. Today we're going to perform a full canvas replacement on a pop-up camper. Let's jump right in. Step 1, raise the roof almost all the way up, chop one wheel, and lower one rear stabilizer. I've removed the mattresses, cushions, and the table out of the unit to make it a little bit easier to work inside. Next, remove any rooftop equipment that's going to be in the way, such as curtains, valances, screen door, and shower track. At this point, it's a good idea to take a look at your canvas sections to see where they fit on your unit. Familiarize yourself with where the canvas section should end up at the doors and how they should look at the corners. We'll first remove the door seal, the smallest section next to the screen door. First, unzip the section, remove the set screws from the bottom track, and then remove the arrowhead seal up top by heating it up and prying forward gently. For your heat gun, make sure you're using a heavy-duty extension cord and plug it into an outlet in your garage or shop. Now, even after that short time, this heat gun's hot, so have a piece of metal or a safe area to lay it down. Now this section has the 12-volt power harness for the roof. Your new canvas typically does not come with this harness, so you'll want to reuse this. Make sure your connector is tight and your power wires can't fall back into the camper body before you cut. Your bed boots will remove in the same way. Screws at the bottom, arrowhead seal at the top. This unit, the bed boots are in tracks at the end of the bed extension. We'll need to drill 2 rivets on each bed to remove them. At this point, your camper should look like this. Reinstallation is just done in reverse order. I'm going to recommend having some new gloves to keep your canvas clean. To install the bed boots, I like to start in the middle and then hold the ends up to make sure I have it centered. I'm just going to heat up small sections at a time and push it into the track. This step, make sure your zipper is going to completely attach. For installation of the large window, pull your glide out just a little. Then we'll install this section first, then the front, and then the smaller section here at the rear bed boot. All right, we're going to find our approximate center, and I think we're right here. All right, so we're going to heat this section up. All right, Mitch, go ahead and lift at yours. I just realized I made a big mistake. These bed boots, of course, go into these tracks. I completely missed that. So this bed boot's on, so I'll just have to drill the rivets on this track, pop it off, slide it on, rivet it back on. Like it never happened. At this step, you can go ahead and start putting back in your rooftop equipment and your cushions, curtains, and mattresses. All right, the next step was to get the camper all the way up in the air. If we have to, we can slide some sections left or right before we install the set screws down through the bottom tracks. Level the unit, chock your wheels, lower one stabilizer at the rear, and install your tent poles and your bungee cord. I'm gonna start checking my adjustments here at the glide out at the rear. Don't forget your gloves. Then you can check your snaps and your Velcro. Make sure everything's lining up properly. All right, almost done. Last step is to take the tent poles out. Lower the roof a little bit and install the screws in the bottom tracks to secure the canvas. On this unit, reinstall your rivets at your bed boot. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and smash that notification bell, and I will see you at the campground.